Hey everyone, so today we are going to be making this simple potato salad. This is a southern style potato salad and here is the recipe. This is the things that you're going to need. Stay tuned for the next slide for the ingredients. The first thing you want to do is boil your potatoes. You want to place the potatoes in boiling hot salted water for 25 minutes covered. Don't forget to cover the pot. Next up, we are going to prepare the dressing. Let me tell you something about the measurement of the dressing. The measurements are really guided by the spirits of your ancestors, so it's no real measurement. You kind of just gotta eyeball it based on how many potatoes you have. So for 4 potatoes, I use 3/4 a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of relish, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and celery seeds. Now, as you can see, I used a little bit of celery seeds. A little bit goes a long way. I did not use that entire spoon. I'd rather go back and add some more later than add too much in the beginning. So after you do all of this, you're going to season it with salt and pepper for taste, and then you're going to mix everything up. And the dressing should look like this when you are done. Now, if you're a real badass, you can just put everything right on top of the potatoes and fold it in with it. But I mix up my dressing on the side and then fold it into my potatoes later. When you're finished boiling your potatoes, after 25 minutes, you're going to peel the potatoes and they should look like this. Your spoon should be able to go right through it, but not break it up too easily because that means you overboil them. Next up, we're going to dice our potatoes into small cubes just like this. Not too small, not too big. You still want to have it to have a thick consistency. This is not mashed potatoes. You're going to go ahead and put in some onions and some green peppers. And then you're going to season the potatoes with some salt and some pepper. And then you are going to fold in your dressing that you made earlier. Next up, we are going to add a chopped up hard-boiled egg, and we are going to mix that in with the rest of the potato mixture. Next up, I went and added some more mayo and some more seasoning. Again, you have to let your ancestors guide you. You know what it should taste like. Then I transfer everything into a smaller bowl for presentation. Next, the last step is to put your paprika on the top. Honestly, if you don't put paprika on the top, I don't even want your potato salad because clearly you got the nasty potato salad that everybody be having. But this is how it's supposed to look. It was the bomb. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.